Hi guys, my name is Shrikant Idam. Hope you all doing well. Today we are going to discuss how to upload a static website on Amazon S3. We are going to use Route 53 to host the domain. So before we start the class, I suggest you to please make a notes so it will be easy for you to follow. First of all, we have to create a free domain. You can create free domain in this website, Freenom. You just have to type your domain name and it will show all this. You have to select here, get it now, and fill the details. You will get a verification email. Once you get the verification email, you can log in and you will find your website here. I already created with sridham.techie. Once you create your domain, you have to log in into your AWS console. Now select your S3, click on services, select S3 under storage. You have to create the bucket name with your website same domain name. For example, let's confirm sridham.techie.cf. Yes, so I'm going to create here US East. Create the bucket. Our bucket is created. Now click on the bucket. We have to upload an index file. That index file needs to have the content. So in a notepad you can type all the content. So this is a static website which we are going to host it in Amazon S3. I am Shrikant Idam. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Please share and subscribe and share the knowledge with all. Thank you. Now file, save as. Let's save it as index.html. Minimize this one, upload the content. It's on desktop, right? Here is the file. Upload. Our file is uploaded. Now we have to make it public. Select the file, click on actions, scroll down, make public. Yes. Okay. Now click on permissions, scroll down. Wait. Now click on properties, scroll down. Come to the static website hosting tab. Click on edit. Yes, enable it. Click. Now select host a static website. Type index.html. So we have uploaded this file, right? We have to type this one. Now save changes. Once it is done, you have to click on permissions tab. Here we have to grant permissions using command line. Click on edit. Here in website you have to type S3 bucket policies example. Click on the first link. So here we have pre-scripted already. Granting permissions to multiple accounts. No, we are not going to do that. Granting read-only permissions to an anonymous user. Yes. Copy this content here, come and paste it. Once you paste it, you have to remove this one and replace with your domain name www.cf. Done. Now save this. Done. Now go to the Amazon S3. Here we have the content. Now click on services. Under networking and content delivery, select Route 53. Here we have to select DNS management because we are going to host a website, right? So create hosted zone. Type the domain name. Okay. Public website. Yes. Now create hosted zone. Here with 4 records we have naming servers created. Good. Now what we have to do is, now we have to go to the Freenome here. Now we have to click on manage domain. Okay, it logged out it seems. Okay, click on services, my domains, click on manage domain. Now click on management tools, name servers, use custom name server. Here we have to copy and paste the details from here. Remove dot. Okay, we have entered all the details. Naming server details here. Now click on change. Make sure there is no dot at the end. Click on change name servers. Changes saved successfully. Good. Now come to your website. Click on create a record. Select alias here. Now select your so already the blog is created. Already the domain name is selected here. Simple routing. So name servers for your shared zone is also selected. choose endpoint, S3 website. So here we will go with the default options, but route traffic to Amazon S3 website endpoint. Now we have to select in which region you have created the domain. We have created in US East North Virginia. When you select this region, it should show our bucket. Yes, it's showing. Good. Now create records. The records are created successfully. Now let's see if our website is showing in the browser. Sometimes it will take time to host the website, so you don't have to worry about it. Let's see. Yeah. What was our website name? Key.cf. Come on. Hey, we did it. So we successfully created a static website using Route 53. So it is easy step. So please make a notes. What we did is created a free domain and we created the bucket with the same domain name. Then we created a index file with content in it and saved it as HTML format. Then we uploaded the same index file in the bucket and made it public. Later we went to static website tab and gave index.html name. Then we went to permissions tab and gave read only JSON permissions. Then we removed the example bucket from the JSON script and gave our website name. Later we went to Route 53, which is used for website hosting, selected the DNS management and created a hosted zone. Then we entered our domain name and made it public. Later we went to Freenome website again and went to management tools. Then in the naming servers we removed it and copied the naming servers from the Amazon S3 Route 53 and pasted it. Make sure there is no dot at the end. Then again we went to Route 53, clicked on alias, entered the target name and selected the region and selected our S3 bucket and hosted our website successfully. So this is how you create a static website in Amazon S3, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends and subscribe. It will be useful to share the knowledge, right? Thank you guys. Bye.